Welcome to the Tech Support YouTube series. We're here to help you with all of your tech-related problems. In this series, we'll be covering topics such as setting up hardware, software troubleshooting, and general tips and tricks for making the most out of your tech. Hardware setup. In this section, we'll go over the basics of setting up your hardware. We'll cover topics such as connecting your computer to the internet, setting up external hardware, and more. Software troubleshooting. In this section, we'll go over how to troubleshoot various software issues. We'll cover topics such as updating drivers, resolving compatibility issues, and more. General tips and tricks. In this section, we'll go over some of the best practices for getting the most out of your tech. We'll cover topics such as maintaining your computers, keeping your data safe, and more. We hope you enjoy the Tech Support YouTube series.